Hi everyone, welcome to today's video review about the PowerBite supplement. Today in this video, I am going to share some important alerts, so make sure that you watch the complete video. So guys, let's begin. The PowerBite official website described by the supplement as a mineral candy that helps to take the better care of your teeth and gums. It is an easy to use dental candy that is made of using different natural ingredients. Along with this, the standard of manufacturing is also high for the supplement. PowerBite is manufactured in the facility that is regulated by the FDA, and it is good manufacturing practices GMP certified. Along with this only high quality natural ingredients, the supplement ensures that there is no any kind of genetically modified organisms GMOs present in it, and that no traces of any types of stimulants are also used in this formula. So it is 100% natural. It is 100% safe to consume into your daily routine. So you can definitely go ahead with this. Now let's talk about how does this formula works. PowerBite can be described as the tooth candy that supports the oral health to a very great extent. The main secret behind the working and effect of the supplement is the string and high quality ingredients that are present in it. Almost all the PowerBite supplement ingredients are present in the natural, scientifically proven ingredients that can help you oral health. So without a doubt, it can be stated that effects of using this oral health supplement are the results of synergistic effects of all the ingredients present in it. Now talking about what are the ingredients that are included in this are calcium carbonate, myra, wild mint, xylitol, lysosome, Mediterranean sea salt, clove oil extract, etc. All of these ingredients are beneficial for your teeth and gums, and they will make your teeth and gums more stronger than before. It will stop bleeding problems, gum disease, etc. So you must definitely give it a try. This is all in one natural formula, so you don't need to worry about the side effect because it doesn't contain any kind of side effects. Now talking about my personal review, while purchasing I have found out that a lot of scammy websites are trying to sell this supplement on their own website. So if something isn't original, then it may not provide you the effective results. So make sure that you purchase this supplement only from their official website. And to help you out, I have left the link in the description box below that will redirect you to the official website, so you can click over there and you can purchase directly from over there. But make sure that you take this supplement consistently on a regular basis, because only consistency will bring some noticeable changes in your body. If you be consistent, you will definitely see the result. And let's say if you don't see the results, or if you are unsatisfied with the product, then simply go back to their official website again and ask for a refund, and they will return all your money back, because this product comes with a 60 days money back guarantee. So you can actually test the product for 2 months. If you don't like or if you are unsatisfied, you can just simply ask for a refund and they will return all your money back. So there is no financial risk involved in this deal. So as a customer, you have a peace of mind. So you can take advantage of this deal and order your kit today. And if you still have doubts regarding this, you can just comment down below and I will be more than happy to solve your queries.